Hey guys, I'm preparing two batches of dough, two different timings on it, and I want to show you how different they look and what the texture should look like when your dough is fully fermented and is perfectly ready for that shaping step. Okay, so here are the two doughs in question. They're both the same exact formula, prepared at different times. This first one, which is the one that's perfectly fermented, was mixed around 10 p.m. last night, had 10 hours in the fridge overnight, and has been out at room temperature for 8 hours. So longer than usual, but it's very cold in our kitchen. And the dough is responding really well to the extra time. You can see the strength in there. You see how the strength of the dough is holding in those bubbles. And it's not sticky, it's tacky like dough should be, but has a lot of air inside of it. This other one was mixed around 11 a.m. It's only had about 5 hours to ferment. Honestly, this is I brought it out to shape a little too early, and you can see this one's pretty sticky, sticking to me more than the other one, and does not have the volume built up. And you can see the texture of the dough. That's the really important part, because that's what you can see in the bowl is the texture. So the texture here still has a rough look. The texture here is a lot more smooth because it's fully fermented. And here's the look side by side. You can see that the volume is a lot higher in the one that's fully fermented. So I thought that was a helpful side by side for you to check out today. And yeah, look for this texture before shaping your dough. All right, have a great day.